there are things that we've never done before. There's a lot of stuff pushing the limits on escape rooms in general, but it's really pushing the limits on our design team and the production team to create things we've never been asked to create before. Basically, the development team designed a game that we weren't sure we could build, but we're trying to figure out how to build it, and that's the difference between this and the other games we built.
We're here at our headquarters in Nashville. This is where we design and build all the games. We actually built the entire floor plan to scale in our shop, so we can actually put all the props in, make all the rough openings, make adjustments here on site before we build it.
At the escape game, we always want to have the tactile experiences, and so in the first room of this game, you've got a lot of fun tactile things you're playing with. In the second room, though, we pushed the limit a little bit with integrating tech and physical environment things.
Basically, I can make molds of any 3D object. So here's our original lion's head. It'll be used as a prop in the room. And then I used a liquid rubber to make a cast of it. And then we can make reproductions of that anytime we want.
We're going for something really, really high tech, but also something really functional and usable. We're gonna have a touch screen for users to play with, and we're also gonna have an interactive, huge screen, wall-sized, that'll be informed by the actions taken on the touch screen.
Usually in an escape room, you go in, you watch a video with some kind of narrator telling you your mission, and then you don't really think about the storyline again until it's over. In this game, it was super important that everything about the game's immersive, from the set to the storyline. So the story's going to be important throughout the game. You're interacting with the characters. There's multiple videos.
We tried giving every movement and action a sound throughout the game. We try to wrap you in the game as much as possible, and I think the sound and music really helps to provide that for each player.
When we're designing a game, it's more than just designing a series of individual puzzles. We're really trying to orchestrate an adventure and really instill that sense of adventure throughout the game. When we first started designing games in 2013, it was Johnny and myself and a whiteboard, and we would just float ideas back and forth until we found something that we thought would work. We would build a prototype, and we were very limited by what we could do because we were outfitting the rooms with thrift store items. It's come full circle to where, there's almost 50 people working on special ops.